I didn't go to Pep Assembly.
For prom Pep Assembly, I had a lot of choices. I was thinking about wearing, like one of them was a nun costume, Goku costume, and a bunch of other weird things you guys probably don't want to know about. Something I really liked was walking in the middle of the Pep Assembly with Adriana Sanchez and people screaming, cheering my name. Love you guys. Thank you. Much love.
The Pep Assembly was great. I loved all the noise and just how everyone came together, tried to solve what was going on. The speakers, they were a little weird. You couldn't hear anything people were saying, so that was also kind of fun to figure out. But overall, it was just a really great assembly.